They will think it's booth. That's what they will react. Then he comes back rushing to his room and keeps crying, "Oh God, why did you make me like this? Jesus, Jesus," he will cry. Until one day he came to know about our center, and he came 3:30 in the morning. He took a taxi to come to our place. I had gone for running. When I was coming back 6 o'clock in the morning, there is somebody sitting in the reception. How is it possible? Usually people start coming after 9:30, 10. When I was coming in, my wife said, so I went straight inside. She said, "Don't take this patient." Why? The scales are falling down we have got psoriasis from head to foot. And scales keep falling down, and if that flies and comes in our food, it will be hell. Don't take it. So I had to listen to her, and I came and said, "I'm sorry, I don't have facility to treat you." He fell down. "Kill me here, I can't go anywhere." Like that he started crying. I looked at my wife, okay, take him. So I said, "Don't worry, I will take you." Then he asked me, "What's a mode of treatment?" I said, "Sunbath." "No, I can't." 16 years he told me about the story of how he was living in a dark room. Suffering is so much in people we don't know. If you hear about each case, it will be like shedding blood from the eyes. So much suffering we have seen in their life. I said, "I will give you sunbath and you will not feel anything, any pain, that's my guarantee." How did I do it? I bought a tub of this height and filled it with water. I made him go inside. Head was in the shade of the wall. Up to this was a shade. I put a wet cloth here, and his entire body was exposed to sunlight. No burning sensation. Sunbath for a person who can not take sunlight. Methods are there. Through the water, he was taking sunbath every day. 45 minutes, no problem. Sunbath. He will turn this side, turn that side. Underwater. He is enjoying it. 16 years he was avoiding sunlight. Can you believe that? The essence of life comes from sunlight. And he was avoiding it. He was not getting cured. After the sunbath, we take him to the shade. We cannot wipe his body. With the towel we dab and make him lie on a cot. Newspaper sab bichha ke usme lete. Then we have a cup with coconut oil. We put a cotton inside and move it all over his body. And so much scales used to fall on the paper. Every day, so much scales. Then he will be transferred to the bed. All the scales will be collected in a paper bag, and that paper bag will be put into another paper bag and wrap it up and bring it to a ground floor. We dig a pit, burn it, and put it in the pit, cover the mud. Every day we were doing it. So much scales went on falling down. On the 21st day, there was nothing falling out. 16 years of suffering. Nature is so powerful. He had new skin and wonderful. When you see people recover from suffering, the joy you get is much more than what he gets. That's why you should take to this practice. Help others. There are people suffering from cancer. More and more people are getting cancer. It's the safest of all disease. The world expert has said cancer is the safest of all disease until tampered. Don't tamper it. Right now there is a patient in Canada who